Hey there, I'm reviewing these fabric resistance bands perfect for adding extra challenge to workouts. The material is durable and does not roll or pinch like traditional rubber bands, making them comfortable to use for exercises targeting legs, glutes, and core. They provide excellent resistance for strength training, yoga, Pilates, and even rehab exercises. The set includes different levels of resistance, making them great for beginners and advanced users. Highly recommend these bands for anyone looking to enhance their home workout routine with high quality and effective resistance training tools.